Kakan hun sedrop Meghalaya Democratic Alliance ke babat yau lakam ke jing sensyar ke jela hakasi pele jo kata yau kala syong jing yalang hakanong ba shalong bani keren halor ke election MP syaka yin robar thawan Raja Sabha kaban long haka arpun riuteri ulber bat ke jing temu jong ke jing yalang kalong nak bentaban sei yau kurtong yaman lang jong ke kenhun ba un yo ke jing job bat ban mi khmat ya ke kenhun syaka yin robar Raja Sabha
Kakanun senrop Meghalaya Democratic Alliance jong kinyo telik sengsan pertai bakan thop ke NPP ke UDP ke HSPDP ke PDF ke NCP ke BJP ke Kenam bat ki MLA Klemseng kalalu mikane ke jingyalang ha hotel Pinewood Shillong bala penya ka do menteri rang ba ke jelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma kane ke jingyalang ka blane akato kane kenta kale tai sanibha halor ke jingsei do kurtong yamon lang syakane ke election hendrai ka klemla satya ban shimrai hakane ke singi bat kalabu man se kendo biangshen Hakani ke jingyalang karai ke bami kalong tang ke jing thau ke sub committee hapo ke jing khmi jong sumbut menteri rang ba ke jela ba president Tensong komu chairman ba un lu mi ke jingyalang na ke benta ban singap ke sur ki parlok bai trei lang ha ke MDA pat banwan ra ke jing sto jing mud ha ke ban sai bet tang du kertong yamon lang banong MP ba marwain ke jela Raja Sabha kani ke komiti ke kenthop yu presiden ke UDP ba Ahmed ba alengdo kinong ngelam na ke PDF ke BJP ke HSPDP ke NCP bat ki MLA Klemseng kum kidkhot habai kran begila pathai kubor hadin ke jingelang menteri rang ba ke jela ulong ba ke sub komiti ken salom ya ke jingelang ha kala sing ublai jong ketayo ban sedang ya ke jingekran halor kene kam ule thu ba ke jingelang jong ke MDA kilami kato kani ki kerteng bala terwa ba ken long ki kertong ndrai menteri rang ba ul kentat pat ban ya thu ya ki kerteng jong ki nalor kani wi thu ba kene ke jingelang kaletai ru halor ki babon kimat ke bedai ba ke dorbar mang tengka ke banwan jong ke jela ke ban sedang nadu kakak lai terik.
So we informed all the members about the session and how to prepare for it. And at the same time, we also had a second agenda, which was to discuss about the upcoming elections to the Rajya Sabha. There were detailed discussions that took place and opinions were taken from all the different coalition partners and all of them participated and we have decided that whatever the case may be, the MDA will be united and MDA will have only one candidate and discussions must take place at different levels and in order to facilitate this, a small subcommittee like we have done in the elections of the Speaker has been formed under the convenership of our Deputy Chief Minister and other members including the President of the UDP, the PP leader from the PDF, the NCP, Independent, BJP and the HSPDP are part of this and they will be meeting on Monday and certain names were discussed in the meeting and proposed in the meeting but it will not be appropriate for me to speak about that. Accordingly, the different political parties will have their individual meetings in the next 2 to 3 days and then this subcommittee will sit on Monday and take the discussion forward and we're hopeful that by Monday we should be able to come out with the name of the candidate for the MDA for the coming Rajya Sabha elections.